Hello, and welcome to our Serenade video. In this video, we'll talk about downloading and installing the Outlook plugin to save emails onto client and case profiles inside eIMMIGRATION. From inside Outlook, you'll want to navigate to the area that says All Apps. Click on it. From here, more than likely you'll see your apps that you already have on your Outlook. To add the eIMMIGRATION app, go to Add Apps. From here, you will search for the apps by the name eIMMIGRATION. Once finding it, select it, and then select Add. Once adding it, you will get this pop-up letting you know that eIMMIGRATION app will appear when you read emails. What does that mean? You'll want to open up an email that you're currently viewing from your client. If you select All Apps, you'll now see the eIMMIGRATION app downloaded. Click on it. From here, you will be asked to sign in to the app from eIMMIGRATION. Click on Sign In. You will be asked to enter the website name. The website name can be found on your caseworker portal. If you hover over to the URL, you'll find the distinct URL specific to your organization. You can copy it, go into Outlook, and plug in that website name, and click on Continue. From there, you will be asked to enter your eIMMIGRATION credentials. Proceed with entering that information. The eIMMIGRATION app has now launched and you're now fully signed in. Now, how does this work? When your client sends you an email, the app will recognize the email address it's coming from. And from there, it's going to suggest a client profile that has that email associated to it, and also any possible cases that uses this client. From here, you can use the suggested client profile to import this email into that profile. Or you can also search by name, search by email, and if you find any possible matches, link that client to this email. Once you've made the decision to import into a client profile or a case, you'll have a couple options. One is you'll have the option of saving the email and attachments, or you can save only attachments. If I click on Save Email and Attachments, I'll get a confirmation that it was saved successfully, and I can go back in case I want to save it somewhere else. Now, from inside eIMMIGRATION, let us look up the client profile where we just imported the email. We will search up top. Once finding the client, click on their name to take you into that client's profile. Navigate to the Documents section and navigate to the Others folder. From here, you'll now see your saved email. It will save it as a PDF. By doing so, I can click on the View button and from there, see the contents of the email inside the client's profile. Should I want to save other emails, I will repeat the process. I will open up the email, I will select All Apps, select the eIMMIGRATION app. From there, it'll recommend the client, the case, and then from there, I can select Save Email and Attachments or Save Only the Attachments. And if I select one or the other, in this example, Save Only Attachments, I will get a pop-up that the information was saved successfully. And if I go into the client profile, I'll now see the email there, and I'll also see the attachment that has been attached as a PDF. I can click on the View button and see the contents of that PDF attachment inside the client's profile. This concludes our video on the Outlook plugin for eIMMIGRATION.